Hi, I'm going to show you how to edit the link at the bottom of the template pages, product template pages, so that my information is not there. And I'm truly sorry about that. So you're going to click on the text box at the bottom, and then at the very top right-hand corner, you'll see an icon for link. Click on that. You'll see that my link is still there, and you're just going to click remove. And that makes it so you have no link there whatsoever. Now, if you wanted to add your own, you simply click inside that area and type in your link. And that's all you need to do. I'm gonna show you that there's a few other places you need to do. So at the bottom of each product page, of course, and then at the very end, you'll have pricing and minimums. You're gonna go to how to order, just click on that text box, click on the icon, remove. Click on the text box at the bottom, icon, remove. And at the last page here, same thing, how to order, we'll click on that text box, click on the icon, click remove. And final one, oh, not the final one, second final one, click on that text box, icon, remove. And one last one. And this one, click on the icon and remove. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'm sorry that I had an error in there, but hopefully we'll all clean it up and you can keep using this and have fun. All right, thanks, bye.